What's up, guys? It's Alex from StackTrading.com. Hope you had a great day today. The morning session was pretty on fire, to be honest, because we prepared exactly for what was to be expected when the market opened. This morning, we all woke up with the market gapping down. Tesla was down as low as 7%. The triple Qs or the NASDAQ was down, I think, about 2% in pre-market, and we were preparing to trade it precisely because we knew exactly what was going to happen. But before I go into how we traded them and how we prepared for the trades, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification button so that every time we publish a new video, you know exactly the video that we published and you're up to date with the content that we're providing. So let's get right at it. The trade of the day goes to Tesla and the triple Qs. Here's why. So in pre-market, we're gapping down significantly. Tesla in pre-market right here at about 7 a.m. when the volume kicks in, once everyone's brokers allows like pre-market trading. That's really when you see a volume spike in pre-market. It broke that support right here at around 604, 603. Traded to as low as 580 or really 578. That's a really important number, and I'm going to show you why. So on the daily chart, you'll see Tesla bounced off. Let me remove these two numbers. Tesla bounced off of where? 580, 200-day moving average on the daily chart. That was a nice test of Tesla bounce and hitting that support zone. So what happened when it tested that zone? The buyers came in. You can see very clearly, focus your eyes right here. The buyers came in, and at around 8:55, that's when the buying just did not stop. Now the market didn't open until this candlestick right here, right? If I can get it right. So right here on this little red candlestick, 9:30, that's when the market opened. So we were telling our traders in the live trading room, okay, we've been in situations plenty of times where the market gaps down pretty significantly. The damage was already done in pre-market. This is actually a buying opportunity. We'd prefer to see a pop and trade that pop. Now, let's say we were wrong, and let's say the market opened and it sold off. Okay, let the sell-off exhaust itself and play the long once the reverse comes into play. But, I mean, when the market opened, the stock really just rallied. The same with the triple Qs. If you look on this side of the screen, here, this is the 9:30 candlestick right here. The market struggled a little bit for the first 5 minutes, made its decision, the buyers really came in and broke out. So we played Tesla long. Specifically, I played Tesla long. My entry was right here at 606. So if I could just highlight it, 606, this was my entry point. I got in with shares at 606, and I ended up selling for a quick scalp here at 610. So right up in this zone. Why did I sell at 610? Well, I was trading off of the 3-minute time frame. And right here, you can see 610 is where the 200-day moving average on the 3-minute time frame was right above the price action. So I took my profits at 610, to be exact, 610 with 6 cents, because I didn't want to get rejected off of that 200-day moving average. But conversely, even though I took profits, the stock rallied almost to 100% gap fill, and then created a double top on the 5-minute and pulled back. I then actually shorted Tesla right here and took my profits, and then took another quick scalp on the short right there. So there were 2 short opportunities on Tesla. So we played it long, we played it short, and actually some traders, and I know Taj took this trade, I didn't, but some traders even went long Tesla right here and took profits at 618, which is the 200 MA on the 5-minute time frame. The reason why Taj took his profits right before it hit 618, because he didn't want to get slapped back down off of that overhead resistance, and as of right now, it is still serving as overhead resistance. So as a matter of fact, if Tesla and if the market does rally, I do plan to go long Tesla if it breaks out of that 618 range, because that 200 MA on the 5-minute time frame would have been taken out. So that overhead resistance should act as support. So I'm actually set up currently at the moment to take that trade just in case if that occurs while I'm recording this. So that's how we played Tesla. You saw how we played it long, we played it short, and then some traders even took us along right here. So there were 3 different opportunities to play Tesla, and this was a money-making play for us. I hit my daily goal on Tesla literally, oh wow, in the same minute. Let me see the timestamp on this. I took the trade at 9:40 and took profits at 9:40. So in less than a minute, I made my daily goal on Tesla. So pretty sweet. Triple Qs, a lot of traders took triple Qs. They took triple Qs calls when it broke out right here on this bull flag, and the ETF rallied to 323 plus, where this was the profit taking zone for our traders. They were looking for the 324, but as it was approaching 324, I know profits were being taken, and I know Taj took this trade, and it was one of his best trades of the day. So these were the top trades that we had in the live trading room. There were so many other plays that could have been taken. Like, let me show you Roku, for instance, got bought up right away. We had some traders take Neo right out of the gates, got bought up, gap filled 100%. Some other trades, oh, check out Novabax. Novabax sold off and completely reversed that sell-off. So I personally didn't take this trade, but I think a couple of our traders did take this trade. This is one of our A-list stocks on my watch list. And check this out, FUTU. FUTU was another stock that was on my A-list. I missed it because I was in the Tesla trade, but you could have taken FUTU right out of the gates. Right out of the gates with this entry right here at around 116, 118. The stock rallied to as high as 127. So there were a lot of different setups, a lot of different stocks you could have taken. But the whole idea that we had in pre-market was to be prepared to go long because the gap down was so drastic. It could have been worse, obviously, but it was pretty bad with the pre-market action. So, for instance, on stocks like Tesla, if it was down 7%, do you expect more sell-off to go down 8, 9, 10%? It was very unlikely, which is why we prepared our traders to literally go long right out of the gates, or if not, wait for that entry point to go long. So that's how we played it out, and it worked out perfectly. It's 12 p.m. Eastern, done with the day, and I'll keep monitoring the markets to see if there's any further opportunities with maybe any afternoon trades. So here's what I'm looking at for the rest of the day. The triple Qs are pretty close to gap filling. I want to see if the triple Qs can gap fill. If it breaks out, this will probably give some juice for Tesla to break out as well. So I'll go long Tesla if it breaks out of 618. But if Tesla and the market starts to fade away, I really want to see this zone to be tested, right? The 604, 600 range, because if that's tested and if that fails, we've got nowhere to go but 580. So I'm prepared to go short, to go long the markets. I have to just kind of sit on my hands and wait for that opportunity to present itself, because in the afternoon things tend to get a little choppy, things move a little slower. The intense volatility does occur in the first hour of the day, which is why the trades are quick. You make that quick money, and the afternoon you've kind of have to stay a little patient. So in the afternoon, I like to wait for volatility to pick up, or if there's some headlines that really moves the market, I could take a trade based on that. So if you've got any questions, feel free to hit me up, comment below, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notifications button, and also join our Discord. We have a free Discord. It's open to everyone. The link is in the description, and come trade with us. You can check us out for a 3-day free pass to our premium service, where we are live on camera and on the microphone, calling live alerts, entries, exits, profit taking zones, risk reward analysis on every single trade. And maybe it could be a great way for you to trade with us and to build that experience in trading if you're brand new. And if you're an experienced trader, I mean, our accuracy rate is anywhere between 70 to 80% on our calls. Not every trade is green. You know, if anyone says that, I highly doubt them. But I think you guys would have a good time trading with us in the live trading room. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you all tomorrow.